Good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. In a previous class, I explained you about test, types of test. Partially, we discuss about starch, digestion, stomach, right? Today, I am going to explain you about stomach and functions of stomach. Partially, I will explain you about functions of each organ, right? Now, what is digestion system? Means digestive system. The system of organ responsible for getting food into and out of the body and for making use of food to keep the body healthy. The digestive system includes the salivary glands, mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, colon and rectum. Students, I will show you pictures of this organ, right? Now, you can see the pictures of mouth, esophagus, liver, small intestine, stomach and large intestine. Now, I am going to explain you about the functions of each organ, but I won't explain all the functions of all the organs, right? I'll just explain you the functions of mouth, esophagus, stomach, right? Functions of mouth. Functions of mouth is to break hard food into a small, right? Our teeth break the food into a small particle, and starch will help to make this food soft and juicy that can enter into our esophagus. Again, I would like to show you the pictures of esophagus. Student, you can observe where is esophagus and how food is getting entered into the stomach through the esophagus, right? What does our stomach do? I am going to explain you about functions of stomach. The stomach has three main functions. Temporary storage of food, which passes from the esophagus to the stomach, where it held for 2 hours or a long. Students, minimum 2 hours, but it depends on what you eat. For example, if you eat fruits, that will remain in your stomach for 45 to 40 minutes or maybe 30 minutes. If you eat vegetables and salad, especially salad, that salad will remain in your stomach for same 35 to 40 minutes. But if you eat non-veg like chicken, mutton, eggs, that will remain in your stomach for a long period of a time, means 2 hours or more than 2 hours. Now I will explain you how our stomach is work, right? Mixing and breakdown of food by contraction and relaxation of the muscle layer in a stomach, digestion of a food. Now our stomach churns the food to digest it. The doctor also saw that the food did not digest properly when Martin was sad. So we can say that it is depend on our mood. When you are sad, then food won't digest properly. Another reason of indigestion is sleeplessness. Insomnia means lack of sleep. When you sleep less than 6 hours, your stomach will get upset, right? Now, this is picture of small intestine as well as stomach. You can see stomach above the small intestine, right? Now, one more thing is that sometimes some people complain about acidity. Now, what is acidity? See, our digestive juice are acidic, as you observe in a previous lecture by that table, that our digestive juice are acidic, that help stomach to melt food, right? Melt hard food. So these digestive juice are acidic. So what happens sometime when you miss or when you skip your dinner, or when you skip your lunch, or whenever you skip your breakfast, you will notice that you feel burning sensation in your esophagus as well as in your stomach. Why it is so? Because whether you eat or not eat, but our stomach and pancreas release digestive juice, and that will create or that will cause acidity, because empty stomach will feel or will sense this acidic juice, and that will cause acidity, right? So this is the reason of acidity. See, sometime what happen when you feel anxiety, when you are in tension or when you are in anxiety, then only your stomach will get upset, right? Student, again, in a 2 to 3 line, I'll explain you the function of stomach. The functions of stomach are to churn food, to mixing the food by contracting and relaxing, okay, to keep food for 2 to 3 hours, right, and pass into the small intestine, right? This is the function of our stomach. Okay, this is all about digestive system. I will going to explain you about good food and healthy food, as well as proper food every child's right, but that I will explain you in a next class. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.